Audits are a necessary evil in our industry, right? Insurance, fundamentally, let's say it's a January 1st to January 1st work comp policy. At the beginning of that policy term, we estimate to the best of our ability what payrolls are going to be for that 12-month period. And the insurance company charges you premium, insurance dollars, based on that estimate. And let's say $1 million of payroll is the forecast for the next 12 months. So you pay premium based on $1 million. At the end of that year, the carrier is going to get their pound of flesh one way or the other. So they always are going to audit your tax records, your payroll records, to make sure that the premium that was charged was appropriate to the actual payrolls that were incurred. Having gone through hundreds of audits for my clients and now dozens of audits for Apex on my own, it is not necessarily a fun process. You're generally dealing with employees at an insurance company or even a third party that don't care about how easy or hard it is on you, the policyholder. So it's a bit like an annual exam that you have to open your books and show the carrier that your payrolls were in fact as close or not as you thought they were, and then ultimately the carrier is going to charge you a premium difference or give you a refund based on the differences in those payrolls. And the carriers are not always right when they interpret those actual payroll amounts. There may be independent contractors, there may be subs that you hire that those payrolls are not part of the rating basis. So it's our job as a broker to help you navigate the audit disputes, which inevitably come when the insurance companies mess those audits up. And there's real dollars at risk when it comes to correcting those audits. And the other challenge is the carriers hold the hammer of, we're going to cancel your policies if you don't perform those audits. So it often happens where it will come down to the wire and the carriers will either cancel the policy if you don't perform the audit, or they'll just guess as to how much payroll they think you would have had, and inevitably those guesses are always much, much higher than the actual results. So it's incumbent upon our clients and on us to navigate that carefully and make sure they get the information when they need it so that you're not writing checks that you don't have to.